always say our Premium Professional Compost is the absolute best, so we are going to put it to the test. We have been to the garden centre to buy another compost. We have also got 2 of our garden-ready plug plants and 2 clear vessels that we have put some drainage holes in the bottom of. So let's get planting and see what happens. So there we have it. I've got my 2 garden-ready plants, 1 in the Premium Professional Compost, 1 in another compost. We're going to put them in exactly the same place. We're going to treat them the same. We're going to see what happens. And here they are 4 months later. They've both obviously grown, but let's take a closer look. So first, the plant in the competitor compost. Let's have a look inside. As I pull that out, you can see that there is some root growth, but that is really going to be struggling to reach for its nutrients because it has not formed that nice strong root structure. And now the plant in our Premium Professional Compost, as I pull that out, you can absolutely see the difference. The roots go right the way to the bottom of the pot, which means we're going to have a stronger, longer lasting display from this plant. So if you want stronger and healthier and better looking plants and you have not tried our Premium Professional Compost, there has never been a better time.